612 West Coast to Canada. Break.
Yeah, about 612. I hear you in there. Trying to turn my beams before I can hear. 612. 612, 547. Special order, read them out.
Yeah, 547, Florida. You're sounding good on the West Coast to Canada. 547, 612, Skip Junkie, West Coast to Canada, waving.
I ain't know that, but 614. What's going on in Canada there, Brent?
Well, we got a beautiful day out here in the islands. Beautiful day out here on the islands, man. Current time is 7:10 p.m. Pacific time, and beautiful sunshine day, and a little bit of a breeze off the Pacific Ocean.
Ain't no doubt about that. Beautiful day, and that breeze up of the Pacific Ocean there. Hey, God bless you and yours, man. Sounds like a day in Florida down here. We'll catch you later. God bless, man. Coming back to 547 down here in Florida. Another day, another way. God bless up to Canada. 5 go.
All right, 547, 73s to you, my friend. Hey, we do appreciate the comeback. I kind of like this the skip when it rolls in at this time. Have a good one down there in Florida, my friend. We'll listen for you again. 73s, 612, Skip Junkie, West Coast to Canada. Reading the mail.
Not there, Skip Junkie. Skip Junkie Canada, 606. God bless you and yours.
Hang on, 666.
Really appreciate you coming back to me on this duck radio down in Florida. Maybe Pensacola will let me talk. See, they gone to bed now. 614. Now I can talk. God bless. 547, 15 miles northeast of Pensacola. Little town called Faith, Florida. 5. Over a year now.
Take care there, 547. Been a pleasure there, buddy. That was nice to talk to Florida. We'll listen for you again for sure, and we'll make contact. 612, Skip Junkie, West Coast to Canada, reading the mail.
I know. 612, you tell folks to get on standby. 612, top of the pile.
You're sounding good up here, man. Was that 666 coming back? Hey, 666, you blowing smoke up here on the West Coast of Canada, 612 whip.
On the East Coast, too. There's another Skip Junkie over down the East Coast. Here we go again, right there, 612, 606, the DX Devil on the very top of the pile. We stay.
All right, 666, out there in the top of the pile. Hey, sound good. DX Devil, I like that, man. That's a good one. Yeah, I'm sure there's another Skip Junkie out there somewhere. I know there's a Skip Monkey. I've talked to a Skip Monkey in Tennessee. You have a good one down there in Florida, buddy. Thanks for the comeback. Sounding good up here on the Gulf Islands of Canada. 612, Skip Junkie. Out here, West Coast Skip Shooter, reading the mail.
JB79. He's in the 28 Utah yard. You'll find it for Skip Junkie, JB79. My friend, till we do it again, Mr. 612, Skip Junkie, 606. From the very top of the pile, we step it.
Cheers to you, buddy. Have a good one. We'll listen for you again. You made the video gate, too. Make sure to get this uploaded to my YouTube channel. You definitely made the gate. Have a good one, man. 612, reading the mail.
Roger. If you see my name, you'd be surprised. I'm doing about 40 average and about 90 peak. 4 element, third, pointed towards California. 145 there. All right. You have 5 ones? 73s, you and yours, 666, top of the pile, we stepping.
Cheers to you, man. It's doing a good job for you. We got 40 whiskeys running out of this RCI, so hey, it's doing a good job. Sounding like a local, man. 612 on the side. Good sounding station, Florida.